car's ever been. We're about to try to make it louder. I'm not gonna lie. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. Look at me. All right, look at me. We're right here. All right. We're about to go do something that I'm probably gonna regret. So y'all just hang in there with me. Had to get this thing cleaned up, man. I just came from out of town and some people cut grass and didn't even blow the car down. I'm like, come on, bro. Y'all don't gotta just leave dirt all over the car. That's kind of rude. But we headed to the shop, man. We about to get into some adventures, some side missions. Ooh, that was a big bump. And also, since we're getting on the topic, some more side missions we're gonna do. We're gonna start working on the car again now that it's getting colder. And all the parts that I've been sitting on, I plan on just small pieces, like just piece by piece. Just put them on the car and make little videos on them. I'm not really big into making these long videos that take long to edit. That gets really tiring. Also, these random 2-3 week gaps where I just don't make videos, that would be very helpful to have small videos like that. So I'm just not like being idle or unproductive. So now that it's getting colder, I can work on the car more. My camera won't just die randomly. And we could really like get the car closer to like full potential, suspension wise at least, until I get what I need to make more power. As far as power goes, we're at the end of the road with this setup. I'm really thinking about, for as far as like saving up for an engine swap, I'm thinking about the obvious 2GR for the IS350, or I think there's, I forgot what it's called, but it's, that bike was cool, bro. That bike was so cool. But I think it's a V8. I'm gonna just type it in, but the V8 motors for the old GS 400s, the GS 460s or whatever, that's also a potential candidate. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this setup might not be for a lot of you. I'm only getting, okay, let me tell y'all what I'm doing. So, man, I really don't feel like trying to talk over this car, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, obviously, we're at the exhaust shop, and I'm getting my H pipe replaced with the X pipe, and I'm gonna do a separate video on the comparisons later. But I am really annoyed with the sound under load while I'm going slow, and I'm also annoyed with how it sounds on video. Like, it sounds terribly bad. Like, I hate it. It doesn't sound this bad in person, nearly. Like, that's no exaggeration. But we're just gonna try and see if we have an X pipe to use to put on the car so it sounds a lot better. There it is, there's the X pipe. There's the X pipe. He just put the X pipe in. Oh, did I say X pipe? There's the H pipe. That's an H pipe. And the X pipe is in. All right, guys. Car is out. I washed it, man. That wash came out pretty nice. This is the dude I was talking to off camera. His car is kind of cool. I just came from out of town, so ignore everything in here. We about to go let this thing rip. Man, that Miata fire. We're good, appreciate it. I didn't get to look at it. Why can't I talk? I did not get to look at the finished product, so we're just gonna have to trust our judgment and hope he did a good job, because he usually does. Ooh, that sound, ooh, boy, buttery. That sounds pretty smooth. That sounds like butter to me. Falling off the bone. Did y'all hear that? Ooh, she back. She back. That reminds me of my Y-pipe setup so much, bro. A lot of y'all probably gonna be like, bro, why does he keep touching this Frankenstein exhaust, bro? Look, until I get somebody to sponsor this build and put a custom titanium exhaust on here, I'll do whatever I want, all right? All right, okay? All right. If you're gonna pay for my titanium exhaust, dude, all right? I'm gonna do as I please, okay? But now, all jokes aside, this is kind of fire, bro. This is exactly what I've been talking about in my previous videos about getting this X-pipe, because I missed the high-pitched sounds. I missed how it sounded like smooth, high-pitch, high-revving, under load. Sounded crazy, guys. Not a VQ sounding, like you can look and tell, like the real ones know, hey, that's a crispy Lexus. That's a crispy Lexus. But I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna let y'all get some sound clips to end the video, and I'm out. Look at that. Look at the cop. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Oh, he wasn't paying attention. Yes. Phew. That would be so funny. He'd turn around. But yeah, we gonna get some sound clips. Get over real quick. Let y'all hear it for a little. Before I let this clip go, I know I'm dragging it, but reminder, guys, this is an Android, all right? I'm recording on an Android, so relax. Be nice in the comments. I mean, you don't have to be nice, but trust, like, just for context, I'm on an Android, all right? This is not no Sony professional camera. This is not gonna pick up the sound, all right? Just relax, all right? Bear with me, you feel me? Cool. I just did a quick hit, getting on the on-ramp, and it sounded so good to me, bro. It won't sound as good as on camera, but just check this out. Had to roll the windows up because I'm pretty sure y'all barely heard that. But I couldn't see how far I was revving. But I know I wasn't revving like all the way like to redline. I know I wasn't redlining it, like nowhere close. And it still sounded good, guys. Like, it sounds so smooth, bro. Ooh, it sounds so good, man. Dang, what's wrong with buddy? He looked like he lost something. I hope he found it. Man, bro, what we doing? Let's go down to 60. We stand and drive. I'm not about to use sports mode. I don't like playing with sports mode, just so y'all know. Unless it's for money or we get in action. I don't like to play with sports mode. All right, let everybody pass, because I don't feel like getting in the middle of that. I'm about to pin it. I don't know about y'all. I know it doesn't translate well on camera, but that's smooth, boy. That is smooth. That's smooth to me. That drone's still there. The drone is gonna be there. I don't really care about the drone. But that sound crispy. That sound crispy. Crispy. Krispy Kremes. 2 Ks, 2 of them. The K in K-Riz stands for crispy, you feel me? Come on, it's me. We out of here. Peace. Wait a minute, hold the phone. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try to, okay, I can't do that, but Look at this Lexus, bro. Oh my gosh. Look at that Tome. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to look weird in public. Man, look at this. I'm pretty sure this guy said hey to me one time. Like he spoke and I didn't speak back. This car is clean. I wanted one of these so bad. That's fire. I'm not gonna lie. That is fire. I like that a lot.